Can you see yourself in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox? This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.